Take out the earbuds, remove the insulation sheet, and put them back to activate the device. Close the charging case for 2 and then open it, and the earbuds will enter connection waiting mode, with the indicator light flashing alternately. Select the W for Pro earbuds on the TimeKettle app. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable Bluetooth connection. Once connected successfully, the indicator light will stop flashing, and you can start using the translation function. Take the earbuds out and distinguish which is for the left ear and which is for the right. Bring one of them close to your ear and pull apart the ear hook to wear them correctly. Rotate it to the right position. Tap to select the one-on-one mode. Set the languages and accents for each earbud. Share the earbuds to start simultaneous translation. In the listening-speaking modes, you only need to wear an earbud and put your mobile phone close to the sound source for real-time recording and translation. Tap Listen Play. Select the language of mobile phone recording and earbud translation, respectively, and wear the earbud to listen to the real-time translation. You can view the transcribed and translated content on the mobile phone. Tap Speak or single-touch the earbud to switch to speaking mode. The translation will be played via your mobile phone.
这个计划确实不是我们所预期的。
When a call comes in, ensure that the playback source is set to W for Pro. It switches automatically on Android. Apple users need to switch the playback source manually. After answering the call, open the TimeKettle app, select Media Translation Mode, and choose the other party's language. As the other party starts to speak, you will see the script and hear the translation results through the earbud. Open the TimeKettle app, select Media Translation Mode and select the recording languages and accents for the main unit and the translation language and accents for the earbuds. Tap the icon in the lower left corner to launch the video app. Play the video, and you will hear the translation results through the earbud. Open the TimeKettle app, select the Media Translation Mode and choose the other party's language. Tap the icon in the lower left corner. Return to the online meeting and you can now hear the translation results through the earbud. Tap the AI section in the tab bar of the UI interface. Once the interface is switched, tap the AI summary section under AI meeting to generate the meeting minutes. You can then copy and paste the generated content. The one-on-one conversation mode and the listening-speaking modes support offline translation for 13 language pairs. Currently, offline translation is disabled. You can tap here to download and choose the required offline language to activate this function.